Okay. Bran, you want to go?
I don't. You can go. I'll go after you.
Okay.
You need more runway to take off.
Thankfully, not as much as before, but still a lot.
Braking.
I like the way the F-4 takes off.
Yeah, it rotates very nicely. Hey, he's gonna use the entire runway.
It doesn't need it. It doesn't need it, but I do it.
Taking off.
China clear.
Yeah, the thing flies good. I like it. Okay, once you guys are clear. Oh, you okay? What was that? Going up.
Gear up.
I think there was a little tornado thing over there. Thermal. Because mine did a bump too. Okay, I'm doing a fast slow pass from the right. Going up.
Fast. Go fast.
Thanks.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
So Carl, I see where you are. I'm gonna try to come link up with you. There you are. Okay. Just can't make any sudden moves with this like you can. But I'll try to get up there with you.
Just keep it nice and subtle here.
Okay, perfect. We'll be able to do at least one formation pass.
Okay.
The next one will be better. Next one will be better because I'm on you this time. Just got a little bit going on. Yeah.
Pulling up on me.
God damn it, Frank. Give us a chance to get back in the pattern. Fast slow pass from the right.
Time remaining 1
That kind of worked. I had to make sure not to get your line.
Well, I'll never, pull up like dramatically.
No, and I appreciate that.
Only unless I'm trying to avoid somebody else.
Right. There we go. We're on
There we
there.
go.
A little faster this time, though. Can't exactly make this go slow.
Right.
Time remaining 31 seconds. 30 seconds.
Okay, guys, I got to set up to land.
What you got? You got it 10-second drill? You done?
Yep. I was flying mostly full throttle.
Down.
Taking off, landing.
Exactly. Hey, I got 3 minutes. I got 3 whole minutes at least.
9, 8, 7,
Landing from the right.
5, landing plan. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Should be pretty quick.
Gonna do a gear pass. There goes my low fuel warning.
Braking.
Ooh, that was a buttery landing. I like that. And I'll turn around and come back. By the time I'm back, you're clear.
Landing right.
Hey, Frankie.
No pass.
All right, you're clear. Well, that's cool.
I am.
I'll get your landing on. There you go. Yeah, you'll be. I think once you start using flaps, it'll be better. But yeah, there were none on that one. The thing flies really good, Carl. I'm impressed.
Taking takeoff flaps. Flaps up.